Number 1. Confident and road-ready. This 1972 Mercury Montego Premier Sedan is offered at $7,500 in San Antonio, Texas. Finished in green with a matching green interior. It features an automatic transmission paired with a 302 engine showing 75,000 miles. It benefits from extensive updates, including a fully renewed suspension, a new brake system, long tube headers, and an upgraded speaker system. An electric fuel pump helps it start quickly and run smoothly. Presented as highway road trip ready, this Montego blends classic 70s style with thoughtful mechanical improvements. Number 2. Sophisticated and forward-thinking. This 1983 Cadillac Seville, listed at $8,500 in Provo, Utah, showcases the technology-focused luxury that defined its era. Finished in off-white with a brown leather interior. It features an automatic transmission and fuel-injected V8 showing 103,000 miles with a clean title. Equipped with power seating, automatic climate control, heated rear glass and mirrors, cruise control, and electronic convenience features, it reflects Cadillac's push toward modern refinement. Minor switch and audio quirks are noted. The Seville stood as a symbol of compact executive luxury in the early 80s. Number 3. Iconic and enduring. This 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, offered at $8,300 in Baker, Louisiana, reflects the unmistakable charm of first-generation pony car design. Finished in silver with a black interior. It features an automatic transmission paired with a 289 cubic inch V8 and shows 145,000 miles. Recent attention includes new spark plugs, fuel pump, filters, and fuel line, supporting its running and driving condition. With a clean title in place, the Mustang remains a defining symbol of mid-60s sporty style and accessible performance. Number 4. Broad and unmistakably 70s. This 1973 Chrysler New Yorker sedan, offered at $6,500 in St. Joseph, Missouri, reflects the grand scale and comfort-focused approach of the era. Finished in green with a matching green interior. It carries an automatic transmission and shows 107,214 miles. Recent mechanical investment includes refreshed brakes, cooling components, front-end parts, ignition service, and newer white-wall tires. The interior presents strongly, while carburetor tuning and minor fluid leaks remain to be addressed. The New Yorker represented Chrysler's flagship approach to spacious, smooth-riding luxury during its time. Number 5. Elegance lingers around this 1968 Plymouth Fury 4-door, listed at $7,500 in Fayetteville, North Carolina. It features an automatic transmission with an off-white exterior paired to a blue interior and gasoline power. The full-size body presents broad lines and traditional late 60s comfort-focused design. Large proportions and upright styling highlight the era's preference for spacious, family-oriented transportation and relaxed highway travel. Fury models gained respect for delivering dependable cruising ability while representing Plymouth's strong presence during a competitive muscle era. Number 6. Crimson Presence carries this 1985 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, priced at $8,499, and located in Molino, Florida. The red exterior contrasts sharply with a blue interior, giving this truck a period-correct but uncommon color combination. Equipped with an automatic transmission, it runs and drives, presenting as a usable full-size pickup rather than a stalled project. Clean title status supports straightforward ownership. Chevrolet's mid-1980s half-ton trucks earn a reputation for durability and simple mechanical design that still resonates with classic truck enthusiasts today. Number 7. Steel confidence defines this 1968 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab short bed, priced at $7,000, and located in Odessa, Texas. Finished in gray with a burgundy interior, this shortened bed pickup pairs a 350 cubic inch 8-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission and presents as a running classic. Recent updates include new tires on 15 by 10 aluminum wheels, a new battery, a new carburetor, a chrome power brake booster, fresh rear coil springs, and renewed brake components. Late 60s Chevrolet trucks are remembered for clean lines and honest work ethic heritage. Number 8. Steadfast utility shapes this 1975 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe single cab, offered at $4,000. Finished in white, it runs an automatic transmission paired with a 350 crate engine that starts easily and pulls confidently. The truck completed a 3-hour Missouri to Arkansas drive without trouble, reinforcing its road manners. Title is in hand, transmission performs well, and overall presentation remains honest. Located in Tonatown, Arkansas, with viewing arranged nearby. This era marked Chevrolet's shift toward more comfortable, dependable work trucks during the mid-1970s production years. Number 9. Workhorse character anchors this 1982 Ford F-100 Custom, offered at $5,500, and located in Spring, Texas. Finished in red, this pickup is powered by a dependable inline-six engine paired with an automatic transmission, presenting a straightforward, usable classic configuration. With approximately 110,000 miles shown, it has served as a daily driver and is described as running strong with no mechanical issues. The truck does lack air conditioning and shows rust consistent with age. Early 1980s F-Series models are remembered for durability and simple, honest truck engineering. Number 10. Rugged purpose defines this 1973 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab long bed, priced at $1,500. Finished in white with a black interior, it carries an automatic transmission, a 350 engine, a 350 transmission, a 14-bolt rear axle, a Dana 44 front axle, and a 205 transfer case. The truck is not currently running and shows rust at the corners, with title in hand. Located in Elia, Oregon, this generation helps cement Chevrolet's reputation for durable, work-focused pickups. Number 11. Commanding presence meets rugged capability in this 1979 GMC 2500 K20, listed at $7,500 in Minden, Nevada. Powered by a 454 V8 and paired with an automatic transmission, it features massive 40-inch Mickey Thompson tires and fully functional four-wheel drive. The truck runs strong, though the exhaust is cut off and it won't pass smog. Sold as is. Its long bed and solid frame make it perfect for hauling or off-road adventures, while the white exterior and gray interior maintain a classic utilitarian look. A true workhorse for enthusiasts seeking raw power and style. Number 12. Raw and rugged. This 1979 Ford F-150FX2 pickup commands attention at $7,500 in Odessa, Texas. Powered by a 300 cubic inch inline-six paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it's built for hands-on driving. The classic black exterior wears its miles with pride, reflecting 258,000 adventures on the road. Simple, durable, and ready to roll, this truck embodies late 70s Ford workhorse spirit. Its straightforward mechanics and robust drivetrain make it a prime candidate for restoration or a dependable daily driver for those who appreciate true vintage grit. Number 13. Unassuming at first glance, this 1973 Ford GT Coupe in Havelock, North Carolina, is a hands-on build priced at $4,000. Finished in black with a blue interior, it carries an automatic transmission and a 351 Cleveland already fitted, needing timing and tuning to move forward. Many parts have been replaced, and nearly everything removed from the car is included with the sale. It is not finished and still requires commitment, but the foundation is there for someone wanting to complete a classic coupe and shape it into a reliable driver with character. Number 14. Power hums through this 1972 Chevrolet 1500 Cheyenne at $4,950 in Washington, Indiana. This long bed truck features a rebuilt 350 small block V8 paired with an automatic transmission, delivering classic Chevy performance with minimal fuss. Its green exterior and blue interior are mostly original, complemented by mag rims that add subtle flair. The body and frame are solid for its age, making it a prime candidate for restoration or a father and son project. Drivable, dependable, and brimming with vintage charm, It's a true early 70s Chevy gem. Number 15. Weathered yet purposeful. This 1984 Ford F-250 regular cab long bed, listed at $800 in Lexington, Indiana, reflects the straightforward work ethic of Ford's heavy-duty pickups. Finished in red with a brown interior, it features a manual 4-speed transmission paired with a 300 cubic inch inline-six. Recent updates include a new clutch and fuel tank, and it runs, though further fuel system attention is needed before regular driving. The F-250 earned a reputation for durability and simple mechanical design across farms, job sites, and rural highways. Number 16. Rugged and ready. This 1981 Chevrolet 1500 regular cab long bed, listed at $6,000 in Goliad, Texas, reflects the durable appeal of early 80s four-wheel drive pickups. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in red with a matching red interior, showing 70,000 miles. The truck runs and drives, though some rust is present, and the seller is open to trades. Chevrolet's 1,500 4x4 pickups became valued for their dependable construction and versatile capability, making them a practical choice for work or adventure. Number 17. Dependable and straightforward. This 1985 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, listed at $3,000 in Fort Gay, West Virginia, reflects the practical charm of mid-80s square-body pickups. It is equipped with a TH350 automatic transmission and powered by a 350 engine with a 10-bolt 3.08 Posey rear. Finished in blue with a matching blue interior and supported by clean title. Recent updates include new front brake calipers, soft lines, and a driver's side window motor. The truck runs and drives well, maintaining the C10's reputation for durability and everyday utility. Number 18. Sturdy and straightforward. This 1982 Ford Bronco Sport Utility, listed at $5,000 in Beggs, Oklahoma, reflects the early 80s compact SUV design built for versatility. Finished in off-white, it features an automatic transmission and shows 100,000 miles. The vehicle runs and drives, offering a foundation for further care and attention. The Bronco name became synonymous with practical off-road capability and adaptable utility, making it a recognizable presence in the sport utility segment of its era. Number 19. Sturdy and capable. This 1979 Ford F-150 Lariat pickup, listed at $4,850 in Mercedes, Texas, captures the rugged appeal of late 70s full-size trucks. It is equipped with a manual transmission and powered by a V8 engine. Finished in white with a gray interior showing 165,472 miles and a 2-owner history. The truck is paid off with a clean title and features functional air conditioning, running and driving well. Though described as a project, the F-150 Lariat combined practical utility with trim-level comfort, making it a versatile choice for work or hobby builds. Number 20. Compact and spirited. This 1973 Opel Mana Rally, listed at $1,600 in Cheyenne, Wyoming, offers a small, agile coupe with rally-inspired styling. It is equipped with a 1.9L engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. The car runs, drives, and stops, though will need to be trailered, with tires needing replacement and some rust present in typical areas. Missing the driver's side window and door card, it features repaired front frame rails and a rear bumper included. The Manta Rally stands out for its nimble handling and lightweight character, making it a fun, project-ready compact car.